Hi guys, Alex Filvet is here, and this is my 7th video about my personal project, and it is an environment scene, so it's like a military hangar with rocket inside in Gears of War 5 universe. So yeah, in this video I want to tell you about vegetation and how I did it, and probably first of all I should show you original scenes. So here we have a lot of sand, but in original scene they didn't put any vegetation and any bushes and so on, but I just saw this requirements in vacancies, and that's why I decided to put some vegetation, just to show it that it's not a problem for me to create some bushes or trees or whatever. So that's why I created these bushes. And of course I was also checking some references, what kind of bushes we can find maybe in desert or just on the sand, right? So yeah, I found this reference. So at least it looks like it makes sense because it grows in real life on the sand, so why not? And we can see this bush. Where is it? Right here. I made some variation, like bigger size, like yeah, the same like here. Bigger, middle, and small size. And I did this bush in speed 3. Yeah, that's all. Have a good one.